day to employers of Hong Kong. Speaking of front of you, Estelita H. Hidalgo, Filipino domestic helper, 29 years old, single parent. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I have 1 son and 1 daughter. I work as a domestic helper at Jordan for over 2 years. I have arrived in the Philippines of July 24, 2025. After I finished the contract, I have a few months extension. There was 2 kids. There was 2 kids to take care. The boys is 7 and the girl is 3. And then me only the domestic helper of this family to serve. The 7 years old go to school only. And then I need to prepare the clothes, the bag, shoes, and shoes also. Bring him into the car. And then the 3 years old not go to the school. I prepare the food, the diaper, I change the diaper, and also I give the shower. Teach the basic, and I play. I took care of my children and my babies. I look to prepare a growing children at Hong Kong. I can do house chores like ironing, washing, going to market, cleaning. I was to learn to cook Chinese food. I want to learn the Hong Kong procedure. I'm in Gather is not the same in other country. Ma'am, sir, please choose me. I want to work at Hong Kong. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.